Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to access File Manager on OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So basically, if you want to search through your files or to do basically anything with your files, delete it, rename it and stuff like that, I'll show you how to access a File Manager. So basically, open up your app drawer and search for My Files. So something like this, click on it, agree and continue, and basically here you'll have all your files. So starting up with the photos, videos, audio, documents, APKs, archives, sources, Bluetooth or downloads, and you can also search from recents, so video, song. You can go to files, click all files, and here you'll have all the folders with the files on your phone. So basically that's how you access a file manager on OPPO A6 Pro. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.